Hello, my name is Collins. I just want to say a big thank you to Heart to Heart TV for this wonderful gift. You can see my designer wallet, so I'm using a big boy wallet now, So please go follow them on social media and subscribe to their YouTube channel. So one of the reasons why I support this Heart to Heart TV is that they touches every part of human life when they have to do with career, marriage, and relationship. So free tips that they got there, and this can actually help you going. So why you wasting time? Go to YouTube, search for Hatwa TV, subscribe, turn on the notification bell. And you know the funnest part, their content are free. And again, you support yourself with freebies like this. And who knows, you might be the next lucky winner of a G-Wagon. Alright, see you next time. Make sure you subscribe to Hatwa TV, follow them on social media platform. Invite your friends and your family to follow them too. And if you have any questions, suggestion, or you have a topic you want them to cover, please contact them. Feel free and they will get back to you. Have a nice day. My name is Against EA Collins, and I'm one of the winner of this wonderful gift from Heart to Heart TV. See you next time.
Hi, um, welcome to one of my videos again, and in this video I'm going to be talking about Heart to Heart TV, an online TV that I love so much. Why do I love Heart to Heart TV? It's a place you get the best videos and the best communication in terms of careers and relationships and career paths. So if you want to get the best out of your career, if you want to get the best out of your relationship, just go to YouTube and subscribe and turn on your notification button to always get the videos from Heart to Heart TV. Once again, my name is Godwin, and this is why I love Heart to Heart TV. Bye-bye.